Okay, already we have seen what are access levels and what are the different access levels, but we have not yet discussed about package structures. First we will discuss about package structures, and then we will discuss about the access levels in depth. Okay, in the access levels we have package, protected and public and private, but we have seen only what is private and how private will be useful, but we have not yet seen about how package or default will be and how protected will be and how public will be. First, after discussing the package structures, and then we'll go with those things. First we'll see what is package structures and why package structures are used, and how we can implement these package structures in Java. All these things we'll discuss. First, the package structures are used to group package structures, or simply we can call them as packages. Okay, packages in Java are used to group multiple entities. Packages in Java are used to group multiple entities based on some specifications. These are used to group multiple entities together based on some specifications. The specifications might be functional or technical. Now, let us see the inbuilt package structures that are available. In JDK, we have Jerry. In Jerry, we have lib. In lib, we have rt.jar. If I extract rt.jar, it will give all the entities. Now, we have a package structure java.lang.string system. Okay, object. That means all these classes, all these entities are present in java.lang package. All these entities are present in java.lang package. Okay, all these entities, if we see here system, object or something else, string, all these classes are present in, if you see here, java.lang package. Now, there are some other classes, java.io package. In java.io package, we have all the classes which are used to interact with the file system. Okay, java.io package has the entities which are used to interact with the file system. Java.io package has the entities which are used to interact with the file system, and we have some java.sql package, java.sql package which has entities used to interact with the database. Java.sql package has the entities to interact with the database. So, likewise, we have many inbuilt packages, but for the classes that are developed by us, how we can develop this package structures? Okay. Now, let me have a simple example. Let me create a new folder package. In package new src and classes. Let me develop an application without packages and let me see how it will be. Okay, I have a class person in the package demo.java and let me have another class person which has person number, person name. Now what it is means, just let me save it as person.java. Now if I refer person here, let me have a main method. Now which one it will refer, the main method in the package demo.java or the main method in the person? Sorry, the main method in the package demo.java, we are trying to refer a person class. Will it refer from package demo.java? In the package demo.java we have person. Okay, in the person.java also we have person, but is the list of attributes same? The list of attributes is different. See, in package demo.java we have person, right? And in what is this class? Person.java we have the class person. Now in the package demo.java, if we are trying to refer person p equal to new person, which person class will be referred? The person class which is local or the person class which is there in another .java file? Okay, definitely this should be referred. Now I think I have saved them in. Let me save them. Now they are in package src. Now it was compiled successful. Now if you see here, in the .less files, the .less files are generated. Now I have two .java files in the same src folder. Okay, package.demo.java and person.java. If you want to compile all the .java files in a specific folder, if you want to compile all the .java files in a specific folder, then how we can do means, just rather than giving a specific .java file name, we can give start.java. If we give start.java means all the .java files will be compiled as a single unit. All the .java files will be compiled as a single unit. That means in the src, all the .java files will be compiled as a single unit. Now, if you see here what it is giving, what it is giving? Duplicate class person. So why it is giving this compile error means, since all the .java files are compiled as a single unit, since all the .java files are compiled as a single unit, okay, then what happens? Just it will not able to compile just because it is a duplicate class. But the purpose why I am using this person class is different, and the purpose why I am using this person class is different. Let's consider like the person class which is here is used for some purpose, and the person class which is used here is used for some other purpose. Okay, this person class is used to interact with the database, and this person class is used locally. Now the purpose of the person class here and there are different, but the class name is the same, person. Just because the class name is the same, what it is giving means, it is giving that it's a duplication error. But while compiling, in general we won't compile individual classes, we will compile all the classes as a bunch. See, if we go for real-time applications, there will be hundreds of classes. If there are hundreds of classes, do we compile the hundreds of classes individually? No, we won't compile the hundreds of classes individually. We'll compile them as a group. So if we compile them as a group, all the .java files will come under a single unit. If all the .java files will come under a single unit, obviously this will be a compile time error just because it is a duplicate class. That means if you don't use package structures, okay, we cannot use the class name twice. Okay, the first disadvantage is if we don't use the package structures, the first disadvantage is we cannot group the classes. If we don't use the package structures, we cannot group the entities. The second disadvantage is we cannot have more than one entity with the same name. We cannot have more than one entity with the same name. even though the purpose is different. Even though the purpose is different, we cannot have more than one entity with the same name. So, to avoid these problems, we go for package structure. See, if we see here, okay, we have class person which has ID and name, but here in the person.java also we have a class person which has person number and person name, but this person is different, this class person is different, and this class person is different. Okay, they are used for completely different purposes. They are used for completely different purposes. Even they are used for completely different purposes, okay, it's not allowing while compiling, just because we have not used package structures and the class name is the same. Okay, now let me declare some package structures. Understood, right? See, if now can we call it as a naming collision? Here the person is there and here also the person is there. So because of this naming collisions, okay, compile time error occurs. And to avoid these naming collisions and to group multiple entities together, okay, we go for packages. To avoid these naming collisions, to avoid the naming collisions of entities, to avoid the naming collisions of entities. These two names are collided so that it is a compile time error. So, to avoid the naming collisions of entities, to avoid the naming collisions of entities and to group multiple entities together, we go for packages. Okay, now let me define the package structure. How we can define the package structure means, the package structure should be the very first statement. The package structure should be the very first statement of the .java file. We can call it the package structure or package declaration. The package declaration should be the very first statement of the .java file. If we are defining some package, then it should be the first statement of the .java file. The package declaration should be the very first statement of the .java file. Now, how I can declare a package means, just package I am defining the package structure like this, com.hcu.pack.demo. But I can define a package structure with any name like a.b.c.d. Okay, we can declare the package structure with any name a.b.c.d. But the name of the package structure should follow some standards. The name of the package structure should follow some standards, and that standards will change from company to company and client to client. So see, if we have some company, let's consider TCS. So TCS has 100 clients. So each and every client may have its own standards for package structures. So the package structures will be as per the standards of the project. So in general, most of the projects will follow a package structure like com dot, okay, the company name, the client name. Okay, let's consider like the client name is American Express. MX. Okay, the client is American Express, MX. Okay, dot is the project name. Com dot the client name dot the project name. Let's select credit cards, CC. CC is the project name, credit cards. Dot in project we may have multiple modules. In project we may have a number of modules like credit cards. We have financials, transactions, okay, and cards as well as contacts. Likewise, we may have any number of modules in the same project. So let's consider like the module name. Okay. Likewise, we should define the package structures. Okay. Com dot the client name dot the project name dot the module name. Or if we have some extension to the module, then we give the extension name also. Okay. Let's consider like it is used for the validation of the contacts. Then this is another extension. In the credit cards contacts, we have validators, which validates the information entered by the user. So this is the package structure. So likewise, we should have some package structures which resembles the purpose of the entity. Okay, the package structure should resemble the purpose of the entity. If you are framing a group, means that group should have some purpose, and the package structure should resemble that group. Temporarily, what I am doing is I am maintaining a package com.hcu.pack.demo. So, just likewise, you should not give some A, B, C as a package structures. Just here I am giving com.hcu.pack.demo as a package structure. Now, package demo and person here come under com.hcu.pack.demo package. Now, let me consider that we have this another package. Okay. Now, we have two .java files. We have two classes. One is person, another is also person. Here we have one person class in com.hcu.pack.demo. We have another person class in com.hcu.pack.another. So let us see whether now it will be compiled or not. Is it compiled now? Is it compiled now or not? Yes. Just because these two classes fall under different packages. There can be two classes with the same name if they fall under different packages. There can be two classes with the same name if they fall under different packages. Not even two classes, two entities. There can be two entities with the same name if they fall under different packages. Not even two, there can be multiple. Okay, there can be multiple entities with the same name if they fall under different packages. So temporarily what I'll do is I'll uncomment this